Hey everyone, today we're going to build the Megalodon monster truck out of Lego. Let's go!
The monster truck is based on the engine.
It's look like a horse!
Now let's do the left side of the chassis, the middle side of the chassis, and finally the right side.
Let's build the bumper to defend ourselves against the bulls. Let's build the hood. Why don't we make wings to fly?
I joke.
Now it's the bodywork's turn to be fitted.
Wow, it's starting to look like a shark. The exhausts really look like the real Megalodons. Now for the centerpiece, the Megalodon teeth. Now let's put the wheels.
And we finished. It's look mighty. We can do wheelings. And it's fast. Can you do a burnout? Yes, he can! But in the next video, I will put in it 3 motors. So,
Subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it.